Today, we will be making the tasty Reuben sandwich. Instead of the traditional corned beef and cabbage for our St. Patrick's Day meal, we like to enjoy our corned beef in an American classic Reuben sandwich. So let's get started. We begin by cooking the corned beef. The directions on the packaging are to place in a slow cooker. Pour in a half cup of water and sprinkle on the seasoning packet. Once the corned beef has been cooked and cooled, we make the sauce to spread on the bread. The typical dressing used is known as Russian dressing, and we make our own version. We combine mayonnaise, ketchup, and relish. Stir until completely mixed. Spread the dressing on both sides of the rye bread. Place a piece of Havarti cheese on one side of the bread. Next, place the desired amount of sliced corned beef. Top corned beef with sauerkraut that has been well drained. Put another slice of Havarti cheese and top with the second piece of rye bread. Butter the outside of one side of the sandwich. Place butter side down in a warm pan. Set on medium-low heat. Butter the outside of the second piece of bread. Cover the pan to help warm the whole sandwich faster. In about 4 minutes, check to see that the bread is golden and crispy. Once cooked to your liking, flip the sandwich over and cover pan to heat through. The Reuben sandwich is best eaten fresh out of the pan. The melting cheese and crispy bread add to the delicious flavor. Leave us a comment as to how you enjoy your Reuben, and subscribe to join us in the kitchen.